Oh.
Easy. Holy shit. Are we gonna help him?
Put your seatbelt on, Ellie.
Uy, bakit?
What about the guy?
He ain't even hurt.
Wow, Oh, ambush!
Man, oh Lord, hear me. Take my hand.
Oh, no!
I'm okay. I'm okay.
Then get out, quick. Shit!
No.
You chicken shit!
Oh my God. Tumayo ka, Joel! Oh my God. Oh! Oh my God!
So you.
Oh my God, grabe yun.
Motherfucker! What's wrong with these guys?
Catch your breath. We're leaving.
Okay. Watch out!
Oh my...
Stay down!
Okay na yung scissors, teka. Oh, may scissors na tayo, madami. Eto, lalapit to. Patay. Sabi ko na nga ba eh. Hindi, warm up lang yon, warm up. Hindi pa ako namamatay. Pinagbigyan ko lang. Warm up lang. Warm up lang yon. Ay putya, kita pala ako. Shotgunin ko na lang kaya itong mga to. Ah! Visit ka! Ano? Puppet boy. Saan na yung iba? Laki ng face frame. Ha?
Hey, you over there? He's gone.
Is gone. Ito, bugbugin kita. Lapit ka dito. Aray ko, boy ba yun? Ngayon ka pang visit ka? Paano nabuhay yun? Yung mortal yun ah. Tingin bala lods. Ayun, salamat. Alright. Saan na ba ako pupunta? Ay, dami pa. Iyo. Tatlo to ah.
Over here.
Aray. Teka, Lods, wait. Time out. Uy, kita ko siya. Ay, hindi natamaan. Narinig kita, visit ka. Ikaw. Ito ako, lalapit sa'yo. Ano?
No, come on, man, don't kill me, please let me go.
La, biglang ganon? Wala na? Yun na lahat yun? Basic. Hindi ako naubusan ng bala. Kunwari.
All right. I think that's the last of them.
Ah! Hello,
Okay.
Paula!
Yeah, guess so.
Good. We need to get the hell out of here.
Wala na bang natirang loot
You know the
dito?
drill. Look around, see if there's anything we can use.
Lagi wala na naman akong bala. Kagaling. Ang bala ko. Wala. 3. Wait, loot muna onte. Wala. Bayan! Oh, isa na pupunta. Over here. Don't tell me, puzzle na naman to. Kanina pa ikaw nag-live. Hindi, kakaumpisa ko lang ng Last of Us. Parang nag-isang short horror game lang. So, hindi ka pa naman late. Walang scissors. Walang scissors, lods. Bala ang bigay nyo, hindi supplies. Diyos ko. Pero sige, I take it. Molotov.
Hey, maybe we can go through here.
Kaya walang scissors, wala. Si Rapo, wala. Asan ba si Ellie? Ayun! Ayan ang gusto ko. Ito scissors, oh. Tapos... anong gagawin dito, Ellie?
All right, go. See if you can get it propped open with something.
There's some pretty gnarly stuff in here.
Ellie!
Ellie! Nangangalay na si Joel! Ayun.
Okay, go!
All right, I got it.
Eh, dahan-dahan pa binaba. Uy, ang daming loot, oh. Nagsha-shine, no? Kita ko agad yung mga loot.
Look.
Oo. Napunta lang si Rapo dito, nagkaroon na ako ng scissors. Ang galing. Sayang, wala si Rapo kanina. Bagay pa naman yung laro kay Rapo. What's this? Smoke bombs. Create a cloud that blocks enemy's vision. Uy, may smoke bombs ako. Eyo. Ano pa ba? Note? Eh, galing talaga. What's this? May tara-tara. Ito, noisy, oh. Dapat may ganito din dito sa stream, eh. Lilista ng noisy. Tapos pagka nakasampung tara, time out. Dapat may ganito dito, eh. Ako top 1. Hindi ako yung maglilista. Ako yung spoiled brat dito. Teacher's pet.
Fucking hunters. See, this could have been us.
That is a lot of people that didn't make it.
Ano ba to, tao?
Should have turned the damn truck around.
We lived.
Barely.
Tara na,
Come on,
tara
let's
na.
get out of here.
Let's go. Basic lang to, hindi ako magugulat.
Know what?
About the ambush.
I've been on both sides.
Oh! So gawain din ni Joel yung ambush na yun.
We kill a lot of innocent people. I'll take that as a yes.
Take it however you want.
Masamang tao din pala si Joel, eh. Uy, may loot. Nakita ko yon. Patumpik-tumpik pa loot yan, eh. Give me this. Yun, no? Ayan ang gusto ko. Ano to? Splinting. Chapter 2, improve first aid measures. Oh! Mag-upgrade yung first aid ko. Health kit up now upgraded. Kits are now 33% stronger. Oh. Time out si Jay. Ano ba maganda i-upgrade? I-upgrade ko ba yung healing speed ko? O crafting speed? Parang maximum health, no? Maximum health na lang weight natin. O kaya siya sibs. Use a shiv to break free from a clicker's oh! Pwede din to. I think max health for now.
Guess this is where the assholes sleep. And slept.
Ay, ito. Craft.
This looks like a good spot.
Alright, ito na. Ano bang pwede? Shotgun. Reload speed. Worth ba? Hindi ko alam kung ano yung worth i-upgrade. Sniper? Reload speed? Reload speed lang din eh. Reload speed na lang neto. Dalawa lang kasi bala neto. Eh, kagaling. Alright, tama na yan. Let's go. Eh.
That'll do nicely.
Ayan na yung request nyo. Binalik ko na yung timeout. Andyan naman si Jai eh. Jai, ikaw na ba? Uy, scissors! May scissors. Ayun oh. Kita ko yon. Anong pwedeng i-craft? Wala akong tape. Wag na. Sino ba? Pag may nag-claim, ikaw na bahala ah. Oh, may sinunog dito.
Oh, I don't think these guys were infected.
Sinunog yung tao.
It don't matter. Let's just keep moving.
The freak.
All right. Here's the bridge. That's our way out of here. Hey, Ellie, slow down. Wait for me.
Kulit ng mga bata, mga bata.
Right here.
How about you let me go first and keep your voice down?
Ang ganda ng view dito. Alright, what's in here?
I'm whistling.
Uy,
Oh,
ayaw
good.
mag-loading.
Something else you can drive me crazy
Ang
with.
labo. Pre, hindi ko mabasa. Hindi naglo-load. Uy, nagwi-whistle na si ano. Si Ellie. Congratulations, Ellie. Marunong na siya mag-whistle. So, paano mag-work tong smoke bombs?
What happened here? Your fellow hunters do this?
Cute. And no, my money's on the military.
Why would they hunt down all these people?
You can't let everyone in.
Did they kill them?
Ay!
What was that?
I don't know. Ellie, get down.
When did you learn to shoot?
Man, screw you.
You had an entire flock.
May bow ba ako?
I'm about to hit you. Ah, yeah, you're really upset. Well, if you want some lessons, you know, I'm more than willing to help you out.
Yeah,
Oh my god, mag-i-stealth na naman ako. Ito sa damohan. Isa akong damo.
They're supposed to be here.
Yeah, they're on the highway shift. Wouldn't be surprised if they cut another batch of tourists.
Spots of gold. Holy shit!
Wala yon, guni-guni mo lang yon. Guni-guni nyo lang yon. Guni-guni nyo lang yon, promise. Kulit ka. Anong let's be cool? Anong cool dito? Pahingin bala!
God.
Walang bala! Kailangan ko na mag-save ng bala, pre! I'm lost. Good luck sa mga bala, bro. Feel ko madami pa akong kakalabanin. Like, soon enough. Eh, yo! Hindi ba mukhang madami akong kakalabanin dyan? Isang batalyon kakalabanin ko dito. Eto,
That
may
bridge
loot.
looks pretty far.
We'll get there.
Whoa. It's strange seeing a checkpoint with no soldiers.
Well, this is what most zones look like.
Saan ka pa pupunta? Papunta ka Latomi na. What's this? Level 2 na ano?
Give
Upgrade.
us our rations. Why wouldn't they give them their food?
Sometimes they ran out. Most times they just held on to it.
That never happened in Boston.
Maze?
Trust me, it happened all the time.
Sana hindi puzzle. Sana hindi puzzle. I don't like puzzles, bro. Don't do this.
I hear hunters.
Hindi puzzle to. Hindi to puzzle.
Just keep it down.
Hindi to puzzle. Hindi to puzzle. May kalaban. May
We're
kalaban.
up all night chasing this tourist.
Oh, yeah, you were a part of that? I heard about this.
Yeah, this one chick, she would just not give up. I've never seen anyone with so much fucking energy. It took a couple minutes to snuff everyone else, and fucking 5 hours to hunt her ass down.
Jesus. Sometimes you gotta earn your keep, right?
Yeah, I guess. We're about to give up when she started shooting at us. It's stupid. She could have got away.
Pre, gusto nyong ano, Happy New Year?
My rifle.
Pre. Ano ba chismis dyan, ha?
That was that.
Pre.
Damn.
Pre.
Maybe you should have kept her. You know, made her one of us.
Ito, chismis, oh.
That girl.
Uy, huwag kang lalapit dito! Kulit ka, ah. Sabi ko, makikichismis lang ako, eh. Saan pa? Wait, ang laki nung ano, ang laki nung area. Pahingin, brick. Ito.
On your right.
All clear over here. You? Yeah, same.
Hindi mo ako nakikita?
Oh man.
Saan yung kahoy niya? Uy, wag mo hampasin, kunin mo.
Shotgun.
Oh my god, ang dami, pre! Paano ko Wait lang.
Ain't got shit.
Oh, God!
Ito, melee weapon lang, oh. Aray ko, sinapak ako. Ellie! Yan! Hindi ka dito. Asan tropa mo? Ito na, oh. Ito na tropa nyo, oh. Ayaw? Oh. Hindi ka tinulungan ng tropa mo, sorry. Pwede siguro bow na muna.
Don't let him get away!
Oh. Wala ako dito.
I don't see him. You? He's gone!
Oh, wag kang maingay. Gusto mo mabuhay? Hindi magkakaroon ng puzzle dito. Madali lang to.
All clear over here. You? Same here.
No.
Saan ba ako pupunta? Second floor? Lag ba? Smooth sa akin. Chat lag ba? Chat? Ito, dito ba ako pupunta? Hi, Hansu. Hindi mo nakita yon. Hindi mo nakita yon. Hindi namatay yung kakampi mo dito. Sniperin ko na nga to. Oh, buhay pa yun?
Watch my back!
Tibay nun ah. Oh, buhay pa yun? Ah, may helmet? Oh my god, paano to?
Don't let him get away!
Paano tong smoke bomb?
I see him!
Ano yun? Naiwa... Uy,
Damn it!
kalbo.
He's got a rifle!
Aray ko. Oh my god, ipit ako.
Hey!
Binato ni Ellie. Kailangan ko na gumamit ng...
Oh, man.
I'm so sorry, bro. Kasi na yung isa.
Oh, fuck!
Bakit hindi nawa one hit yun? Wait lang, lock in muna, wait lang. Madami-dami to.
He's over here!
Ay, lalapit ka. Ito, shotgun, no. Ano, lalapit ka?
Look out!
Ano, ikaw lalapit ka? Ka dito! Nasa likod na pala. Ang yabang-yabang ko pa. Anong pinag-uusapan nyo? Exam? Hindi, mahirap chat, mahirap. Madami. Kailangan stealth. Stealth tayo, stealth. Hindi ako dapat yung barrel lang ng barrel.
Whoa!
Oh, wala ako dito.
Get him! Behind those bookshelves!
Uy, ayaw niya magpadampot. Hindi, ulit na lang. Restart. Ayoko.
This way!
Wala kasing brick eh. Kailangan ko brick. Ayun yung brick. Ito, kailangan ko nito. Tapos, bali ang gagawin ko. Distract doon. Tapos, hablutin natin to. Higa dito. Hablutin ko to. Tingnan mo. Lapit. Yan. Hablat ka sa akin.
All clear over here! You!
Nakita ba ako neto? May sinasakal na ako dito. Hindi niya ako nakikita.
Oh, God.
Alam mo yung maakyat pa.
Fuck me! Over here!
Okay, shotgun ko! Out! Time out muna. Time out. O, daan ka dyan, Billy. Makulit ka, ha? Time out, Lods. Time out. Wait lang. Teko lang, time first. Ba't time out sinasabi ko? Time first pala yun. Bumaba yung mga siraulo. Saan na yun? Kung tumakbo na kaya ako. Uy, grabe ka! Napakadami, pre. Aray ko! Aray ko! GG's Marushi.
Cover me, I'm moving up.
Wait lang, wait lang, wait lang sa tubig. Wait lang, Marushi. Wait lang.
You're gonna burn!
May mana to, pre! Oh, ito, tropa mo to, di ba? Ano? Oh, babarilin ko to. Kahit walang bala yung pistol ko. Sige, babarilin ko to. Isa ko na.
Cover me, I'm moving up.
Ellie, run!
Buisit to ng babaton molotov. Aray ko. Teka, heal mo na.
Don't lose it.
Too close.
Go.
Aray ko.
I was too damn close.
Wala na?
To the edge of the universe and back.
Basic!
Endure and survive.
Excuse me?
Savage Starlight. That comic I've been reading? It's what the hero says after a big battle.
Endure and survive.
Yeah.
Okay.
Senior high si Jaika. Anyways, basic lang. Ay, natanggal yung kamay. Ay. Siyempre, ubos na naman yung bala ko. Thank you, Lord.
Man. Look at all these books. I wish I had more room in my backpack.
Oh, so you're a reader, huh?
Well,
Okay,
I'm
saan
not
na ako
running away from
pupunta?
hunters and infected.
Where am I going, bro? Ay, don't tell me na puzzle to, ha? Walang magpa-puzzle dito, Lods. Don't do this to me. Saan ba ako tatakbo dito?
Okay, we need to lighten the mood. Ready? It
Ano yun?
doesn't matter how much you push the envelope, it'll still be stationary.
What is that?
It's a joke book. No pun intended. Volume 2 by Will Livingston.
Let's keep going.
Bakers trade bread recipes on a need-to-know basis. Need.
I get it.
A moon rock tastes better than an earthly rock because it's meatier.
Oh my God, Ellie. Tama na yung mga jokes mo.
A backwards poet writes in verse.
Do you even get that?
Of course not. I used to be addicted to soap, but I'm
Sarado.
clean now.
You ship.
Alright, I've actually never heard that.
That's it. That's all I got.
Worth it ba pumunta dito? Eh, yo! What's this? Hey, very worth it nga. 50 supplements. Eh, yo, may scissors pa. Oh, tas may ito pa. Bakal. Nice. So, I can do this. Tapos, sa supplement, I can do... Ano mas worth, chat? Max health or weapons way? I can't decide. Chat, help me. Tama na yung chismis nyo. Tulungan nyo muna ako. Siya? Health na lang. Wala ka naman tutok. Parang... Health, weapons... Weapons way. Health na lang. Sige. Sige. Okay lang. Tanggap ko naman. So, saan na ako pupunta? Yeah, wag niyo akong pagpuzzlein. Nasa pass. Don't do this to me.
They call it processing. It's where they picked out who'd go in and who'd stay out. Sometimes only half a family would be allowed to go through.
Tapos na one hit pa. Kaya nga
What do you
eh.
think?
Pagka clicker, one hit kasi. Pagka yung zombie na overgrown na. Ang dami pa palang places na pwede kong puntahan, no? Doon agad ako pumunta sa may second floor. Ang dami pa, oh. Pwede pa ako maggala-gala dito. The hell? O, saan na ako pupunta? Hindi ako maliligaw. Hindi ako naliligaw. Hindi ako naliligaw. I'm delusional. I'm not naliligaw. Andito lang yon somewhere. Bala? Oh my God! Sa wakas. Nagka-pistol ammo. Dampot lang. Ano pupunta? I'm lost. Where should I go? Dito ba? Yeah, dito nga ata. May loot pa dito. Eh di sana tumakbo na lang pala ako kanina. Pwede naman pala yun. Required ko bang patayin sila lahat? Pagka may ganun? Or pwede kong takbuhan na lang?
Man, you gotta be crazy to string up soldiers.
You get people desperate enough, they'll do just about anything.
And the people that rose up, they're the ones we've been fighting here?
That'd be my bet.
Alright, walang puzzle. Thank
Watch
you, Lord.
yourself on these drops.
Salamat po. Record patayin. Ah, record patayin. Sayang kasi sa balay.
Down.
Let's get out of here.
Diyos ko naman.
There's more of them. All right. I don't think they saw us.
Let's go. Okay, akala ko didigma na naman ako.
Here's our bridge. We're a little closer. I think.
Kendrick.
Just keep at it. Come on.
Hindi nga pala marunong lumangoy si Ellie, no?
Can't make that jump.
If you get me up there, I can move that plank.
Eh, Miming. Miming si Joel. Ming. Ming. Nag-stop kasi si Jai, guys. Ano ba? Ming. Ay, eto na nga ba? Puzzle to. Nararamdaman ko na. Scissors. What's this? If goes down tonight, we're gonna take Eastern's checkpoint, blah 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 blah. Shrek crack. Oh my god. Voice crack again. Grabe ako mag-voice crack ngayon, ah. Ay, sarado. Ano gagawin ko? Sarado.
Hey, there's one of those floating raft things again. Can we use it?
Yeah. Hindi abot. Isip.
Wait here. Let's see where this goes.
Look at. Okay lang yan. Nonchalant ako. Wala akong pakialam sa kanila.
What the hell?
Nagbabarilan na. Bang! 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 Ika dito, Ellie. Let's go, let's go. Oh, sakay.
What was that all about?
Get on. We're cutting through the hotel.
Okay.
Come. O, tas akyatin mo to.
Easy.
Don't worry, I ain't gonna drop you.
Yan. Very nice.
Set up that plank like they did.
Yan, chismisan lang kayo dyan habang nagpapuzzle ako dito. Chismis well.
Alright. Now you just need to find a way out.
Sana wala ng mga zombies. Mas gusto ko pa kalabanin yung ano, yung mga tao kaysa sa zombies. Puzzle gods, basic, oh. Oh, diba?
Think those
Binasic
hunters are
lang.
gone?
We're about to find out.
Binasic.
It's clear, Ellie. Come on down.
Oh, fancy. You ever stay in a place like this? Before, but I went to
Ang dami ng scissors, oh. Let's go.
No, this is too rich for my blood.
but it was nice.
Wait, ano to? Oh, no. Oh, no. Ano to, clue? Oh, no. Na-jinx ko ba? Kailangan ko buksan to? Paano? Ay, hindi. May note ako na ano, ah. Wait. Asan na yung note na yun? Alam ko may note ako na may code, eh. Hindi, ito yun. Ito yung noisy. Ito sipon hose. Asan yung note na may ano? Oh my god, asan yung note na yun? Alam ko may napulot ako eh. Ito yung Frank. Firefly map. Parang gusto ko siya open at the same time ang hirap. Wag na. Visit na yan. Kalimutan ko na lang yan.
Oh, I'll be checking in for one night, and I would like your finest.
Wala!
suites.
Hell, you
Wala
going?
ano dito, Ellie.
Yes, you can take my luggage upstairs.
You going?
Wala. Walang puzzle. Kinalimutan ko na yan. May loot. Silipin ko lang. Landot. Okay. Limot na, limot. kalimutin ang lahat.
This coffee.
Walang puzzle na nangyari. There's nothing. Oh my god, pero I guess pagka nabuksan natin yon, ang taas na ano yon, mataas na bigay ng resources. Feel ko lang.
I'm on it.
Ellie, come. Wala na pala akong molotov.
Watch your step.
Kala ko mag-elevator.
Oh shit.
Oh.
Get down, get down.
Wait, how many is that now?
Right, just this week. Hey, I'm not complaining.
I bet you're not. We done here?
We got another floor to check, man.
Check for what? I ain't seen a clicker in weeks.
That's because we're thorough. We're gonna keep being.
Wag na,
thorough.
kalimutan na natin yon.
Wrap this up,
Walang
right?
nangyari, okay?
Alright, whatever.
Maririnig ba ako pagka tumalon ako dito? Okay, hindi. So, yung isa nandito. Damputin ko lang to, ha? Dito ka.
Fuck.
Grabe si Ellie magmura, ah. 13 years old, ah. Ay, may listen mode nga pala ako. Oh my god, hindi ko ginagamit. Ayun. Oh my god, apaka-essential pala na itong listen mode. Di ko masyado ginagamit. Nalalaman ko asan, no? May pusa dito. Uy! Ano nakaakyat dito? What? Uy, may pusa dito. Pusa ng kapitbahay namin, pumasok sa bahay namin. Friendly cat. Aray, come here. Mas best na ano no, mag-stealth lang talaga ako. Tapos itatago ko yung body. Nalaglag. Okay, isa na lang. Isa na nga lang siya. Oh.
Huh? What the hell?
Pwede ko bang bigyan ng baril si Ellie? Parang ako lang may baril eh. Kahit pamukpok lang kay Ellie. Tres na enemies. Okay. There's no enemies anymore. Medyo malayo-layo na. Ano nang kalaban? Wait, dito ko galing. Naubos ko ng stealth yun. Ayoko balikan yung clock. Gusto nyo ba? Parang ayoko na eh. Balikan natin yung clock. Sige, try natin. Sige, try natin. 22. Oh my god, ang daming ng supplies. Paano naging... I don't get it. What's this? Sharpening blade. $14, $16, $64. Ano ba yan, Maui? Paano naging 22? Bahala na, thank you ah. Ayoko na itanong ah. Sasakit na yung ulo ko dyan. At least may bala ako. Damat ewan. Ang gulo bro. Saan ba yung mga enemies dito? Enemies. Wala na. Explore na. Move on na sa story! Puno yung shotgun ko. Gamitin natin yung shotgun ko.
Over here!
Kalbo!
I hear you running.
Wala ako dito. Kaya lapit ka na lang. Damputin kita dyan. Oh. Uy, namatay. Ano yung nakatulog? Aray. Ilan pa kayo, bro? Okay, dito sa gilid-gilid meron pa. Uy, galing nyo ah. Tropa kayo ah. Sabay pa sila, susugod ah. Oh, buhay pa yon? Hindi, iba na pala yon. Pistol na lang. Pick. Nice one. Meron pa? Ito, hampas na lang. Oh my god, grabe talaga yung gore dito. Kung sabog talaga ulo eh. Oh, oh my god. Grabe bro. Kung sabog, talagang sabog. At least ang dami kong bala ngayon. Unlike nung isang beses. Okay, wala na. Wala na. Alright. Puro combat. Buti hindi puzzles. Mas okay to, nakikipagbarilan na lang ako. Kaysa puzzle ng puzzle. Lurk well, Maui. Saan na ba adaanan na? Ito pala ako galing. So, dito. Okay. What's in here? Okay. I think dito. Labas ako dito. Kasi na yung naalaga ko. Nawala si Ellie. Yun, na-stuck siya dito. Ah, ito. Ah, hindi pa ako dito galing kanina. Paano ako bababa dyan? I'm lost. I'm lost, patuti. I'm lost! Saan pa baba, bro? Nawawala na ako. Daanan pa ba dito? No! Huwag kang mawala, Lay. Hindi kasi ito lang yung daanan eh, oh. Kasi ano pang purpose ng pagpatay ko sa mga to kung hindi din ako dadaan dito? So, around here, maybe? Ay, ito. May arrow. Ito. Stairs. Ito. I
Hey,
need this.
it looks like there's a ladder inside this elevator.
Hold up, let me try to open it.
Ah. Kuhain mo ako. Ay, hindi. Akyat pala.
Let's see where this goes.
Namunin mo ako.
Just in case.
What now? Ito.
It's gonna be a tight fit, but come on.
Okay.
Nakakatakot. Parang malalaglag. Ay! Huwag ka tumalon ng ganon, Joel ka. Parang malalaglag. Visit. O, tayo na. Talan. Talan na, Ellie. Come.
Find me something to climb on. Okay, here we go. There we go.
Ayun na nga sinasabi ko.
I'm alright! Are you okay?
Paano aakyat dun? Paano aakyat dun? Oh my god.
No!
May zombie dito.
I'll make my way up to you.
Baka may zombie dito, pre.
I'll try.
Baka may zombie dito.
Alright. Where to now?
Bawal lang mag-craft. Let me craft, bro. Saan ba pwede pumatong para makapag-craft?
I think I've tried over there yet.
Ah! Yaman, sis! Ah! Whew! Ilalim ako. Wait, paano ba umalalim ulit? Ayun si... Kalimutan ko. Oh my god, Lodi Kicks. May zombie nga dito, for sure. Yeah, may zombie dito for sure.
I need to find a way around this gate.
Swimming.
Maybe that doorway.
So, mag-craft, bro. Ayan, no? May alcohol pa dito. Teka, craft muna ako dun, banda dun. Dito nakalutang eh. Okay. So, saan na ako daan? Ito na nga ba? I think nagsisimula na ang puzzle game. Wala naman ibang daanan. Ayun. Mauntog ka, Joel. There you go. Wala naman pala zombie eh.
Spores.
Walang zombie dito. Walang zombie. Be all goods. Daga meron. Oh, never mind. Naririnig ko yung clickers. Oh my god. There are enemies here, bro. Wala. Oh, wala pa pala. Ito, generator.
Here we go.
Ahem! I'm okay.
I hate these things.
Let me open the generator, bro. Ay, naku ka. Naririnig pa ako. Ilan pa ba kayo? Kakainis! Free! Dios mío, Marimar.
Damn it.
Oh my God! Hala, yung malaki! Pre! Yun yung malaki, pre! Ayun daanan dito. Stop. Takbo lang. Okay, takbo. Just run. Just run. Oh my god. Nandaanan. Don't do this, bro. Saan ba pupunta, pre? Pabalik lang to eh. Wala na, nag-GG's na si Marushi eh. Pre. Feeling ko doon yung daanan sa taas eh. Hint? Ayun no. Ay, ponyeta ka, Lods! Ito molotov oh. Daanin mo ko dyan. Oh my... Oh! Oh my god. Paano kung namatay talaga ako dun sa story na yun, no? Paano na kaya si Ellie? Oh my god. Napakadami nila, pre. Ay! Wala siya bap si babap dubap dubap dubap. 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 Keycard. Hanapin ko. Keycard. Watch and learn and listen. Kailangan ko humanap ng keycard. Watch, look, and listen, bro. Ito, andito yung keycard, for sure. There you go. Pwede ko bang... Punta ba siya doon? Nandito siya. Ano bro? Dito na ako. Bilisan mo Joel. Bilisan mo. Oh. Basic. Hindi man lang ako pinagpawisan. Hindi man lang ako pinagpawisan. Bala. Alright. Upgrade time! Yay! Upgrade ba ako pistol? Ay hindi, secondary holster na lang. Para may lagayan. Yeah, pwede to. Ano yun? May tinahi? Oh, okay. Ano pa ba? Sa rifles... Hindi ko naman kailangan upgrade kasi ito eh. Hindi, back muna. Hindi, shotgun na lang. Mas gamit ko yung shotgun. Shotgun, I think, capacity. Or, uy, ang mura lang. Sige, upgrade. Parehas. Okay. Then, recoil na. How about sa sniper? Pwede ko ba lagyan ng scope yun? Wala, shotgun uli yung nilabas. Ito. Can I put scope, bro? Add scope. Ayun. Ayan! May scope ka pala sa bag mo, Joel. Ngayon mo lang nilagay. Diyos me, yo Marimar. Okay, tama na to. Wala nang pang-upgrade.
This'll do just fine.
Alright. Even aiming. Oh. Okay, tara na. Asan na ba si Ellie? Bro, Ellie? Really? Oh,
Finish it! I got it!
Nicely done. You bit?
Not today. You?
Not today. All right. Spread out. Make sure we didn't miss any more of these fuckers.
lock in, lock in.
Hey, he's over here at the counter.
Oh my god. Look! Ano, buhay ka pa? Kulit mo ah. Kulitan ko na to. Oh my god, natanggal ko yung kamay niya. I'm so sorry. Sensya ka na ah. It has to happen. May ladder ba? Akit ata dito. Can I have ladder, bro? Saan ladder? Ito pala. Lul. Alright. This one. Oy, 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 oy! Oh, oh, no! F, 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 F. F, 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 F. I'm pressing F! Hello! Mamamatay ako! Uy, F! Ayun, nice one. Oh! Barrel, barrel. F, 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 F. Go, 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 go! Oh my God! Hala ka! Hala ka! Ayun. Oh, Ellie!
I shot the hell out of that guy, huh?
Yeah, you sure did.
I feel sick.
And you just hang back like I told you to.
Well, you're glad I didn't, right?
Ay, Uri.
I'm glad I didn't get my head blown off by a goddamn kid.
You know what? No. How about, hey, Ellie, I know it wasn't easy, but it was either him or me. Thanks for saving my ass. You got anything like that for me, Joel?
Oh, tampo na si Ellie.
We gotta get going.
Lead the way.
Di man lang nag-thank you si Joel. Sungit talaga ni Joel. Nagsungit bigla si Joel. Very, pero thank you, Ellie. Hi. Hello, good evening, Yuri. Nagsungit na si Joel bigla. Apocalypse thing. So, saan na ako pupunta? Is it here?
We need to get back out. Find
Shabon.
that bridge.
Hello. Ba't Yuri pangalan mo?
Crap.
Anyways. Old account. I see. Loot lang ako onte. May malulot, di ba? Alright, alright, alright. Okay, what now? Can I like... Pahinga na sa laban-laban. Pwede? Kanina pa ako ang laban-laban eh. Ito. Para saan to? Weapon melee upgrade. Modify last one hit longer. Oh. Ayo, fine dining restaurant. Cool. Naga-live ka.
I'll be able to
Yeah,
get there with
kita
this.
sa Discord ko pag naka-live eh.
All right.
Tulak doon.
Damn, this is easy.
Hoy, Ellie, tulong!
Hey, how about a hand?
Yan,
You
very
sure
good.
you can trust me with that?
Ellie.
Push!
I am.
Push harder!
Yarn. Okay,
How's
akyat.
that?
Let's go.
Nandito ako sa fine dining restaurant. Loot? Wala. Okay. Nasa baba na ako. Yes, cutscene! Pahinga na, let's go! Never mind, hindi pa pahinga.
Come here. Keep your head down. Right now, I'm gonna jump down there and I'm gonna clear us a path.
What about me?
You stay here.
This is so stupid. We'd have more of a fucking chance if you let me help.
I am. You seem to
Ay,
know
bibigyan
your
niya na
way
ng
around
baril
gun.
si Ellie.
You reckon you can handle that?
I sort of shot a rifle before, but it was at rats
Rats.
with BBs.
Well, it's the
Bibigyan
same
niya na
basic
ng baril.
concept. Lift it up. All right, now, you're going to lean right into that stock, because it is going to kick a hell of a lot more than any baby rifle.
Okay.
Go and pull the bolt back. Grab it right there. Just tug it. There you go. And as soon as you fire, you're going to want to get another round in there quick. Listen to me. If I get into trouble down there, you make every shot count. Yeah?
I got
Ah, that's so cute. Binigyan niya na ng baril si Ellie.
All right. And just so we're clear about back there, it was either him or me.
Eh. Nag-thank you na siya. Nag-thank you na siya kay Ellie.
You're welcome.
Alright. I think hindi pa tapos ang aking revelation. Kailangan ko pang pumatay ng madaming people.
You're all fucking dead!
The hell's he yapping about? Take a breath. Who's dead?
The whole crew.
Apocalypse and that guy with the car 98. Ewan ko nga eh.
Kill all of them.
Shit. You talk to the boss?
Yeah. He wants everyone to hold their ground. Watch the gate.
All right, you heard him. Search the area. Do not let anybody through.
Ilan ba sila? 4. Ayun si Ellie.
Gotta be wrong.
Ay, puta. Oh my god, may tao pala doon. Wait, asan sniper ko? Ay, buhay pa yun? Antibay ah. Oh my god, may scope nga pala yung sniper ko.
Good job, kiddo.
Di ka papatay, pre. Oh, kulit ka. Barilan agad.
Not here.
Ay, hindi, ito na lang. Bomba. Sasabog yan. Bug! Mabuhay ka pa?
Over here! By the couch!
Bala, bala. Ilan ba yan? Ay, puta. Gano'n kadami? So, isa doon, isa dito. Aray! Ow! Ha? Ay, putang ina mo ka! Lagi na lang sa likod. Visit! Ellie, asan ka na?
Yeah, that's all it should have
Tulungan mo naman ako.
If you're gonna steal, you better make sure you get away with it. Right? I would have done.
Paano pagka binline ko agad sila?
You're all fucking dead!
The hell's
Ah,
he
ito.
yapping about?
Right here!
Sana malikuran din. What the hell, creep?
I got him! Move up!
My aim is better, bitch. Nag-warzone ako para dito. Uy! Saan galing yun? Nakapik ka pa. Napakadami, bro. Wait, Lods.
I got him.
Uy, wag ka lumabas, pre. How many? How many guys, bro? Makulit ka? Malapit. Tingin ng bala, pre. Walang bala. Wala din pang medkit. Nyay. What the hell? Tatlo pa uli.
Watch my back. Oh, I got him. Cover me. I'm moving up.
Aray ko. Anit ako, pre.
Where the fuck did you go?
No! Ang hirap! Kailangan ko mag-lock in dito. Shit. I need to lock in, bro.
I got him.
Pwede pala ako dito.
Moving up.
Molotov. I forgot I have Molotovs, bro.
Cover me. I'm moving up.
Ah, saan? Pre. Wala na akong makita. Hello?
Here we go.
Uy, ba't ka umaakit dyan, pre? Wait, wala na?
All right, come on down.
Oh my god, last na yun. Yes!
How'd I do?
Very good! Very good ka kay Joel!
About something a little more your size.
Yay! Bibigyan na siya ng baril.
It's for emergencies only.
Okay.
Ah. Bibigyan na siya ng baril. It's so nice. Kaso ubos na naman yung bala ko. Ano bang bala?
Now, the safety zone, do you know how to switch it off?
I do.
Okay, you gotta respect it. This is not,
Joel, I'll be careful.
okay.
Okay, that's nice. Okay, saan na ako pupunta? Whew. Grabe yun.
All right, do your thing, Ellie.
On it. Stupid chain is stuck. Hold on.
I am.
There.
It's good thinking.
Tama na tong kalokohan na to. Ay, kukunin din to.
Help me open this.
Here.
I got it.
Upgrade? Can I
Let's see
upgrade
what we got.
things? Wala na akong items. Yeah, wala na. Ano na lang, capacity na ito. Fire rate. Oh my god. Gara na ito, nung game na to. Alright. Parang gusto pa hanggang mamaya pa, hanggang alas 12 ah. Pero tama ka na, Lay. Oh, meron pa din? Meron pa din! Oh!
Busy couple of days, huh?
Whatever, man. Damn, no food. Old pair of shoes. We got nothing. Let's go.
Oh, man.
There ain't nothing we could have done.
I know. It's just... Oh, man.
Alright, tara na. Tama na yan, Ellie.
Let's just get to that
Alam
bridge.
ko, I get it. It's hard, okay? It's a very hard.
Well, at least they finally killed that couple. I was sure they made it out of the city.
Now all we need to find is a fucking pickup truck duo. Yeah, there better been an army in that truck. How the fuck did they wipe out the entire crew over there?
Let's keep searching. I want to wrap this up before...
Pagka headshot, one hit. Tapos hindi nasisira yung arrow.
Hearing them talk, at least they're scared of us.
Just try not to let your guard down.
I'm just saying, it's good having you on my side. That was a compliment.
Okay.
Note. We got the run, blah 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 blah. Nakakatamad basahin. Sana tama na yung laban-laban, please. Sabi ko kanina nga, joke lang yun. Joke lang yung sinabi ko kanina na sana tao na lang kalaban ko. Wala na, puro tao na lang. Ay, talaga naman buhay ito.
What about Marcus Street?
Yeah, they're driving through that area now. Maybe they'll flush them out.
I pray to God these tours show their faces.
They gotta show up somewhere. Maybe this will be your lucky day.
Man,
Dalawa lang yon. Uy, ayaw bumaril! Bakit hindi bumaril yung shotgun ko? What? Hindi bumaril yung shotgun ko. Pinatok ko yun.
What about Marcus Street?
Can I like stealth
Pray to
this?
God these tours show their faces.
Mag-stealth kaya muna ako.
They gotta show up somewhere. Maybe this will be your lucky day.
Joel, there's a guy up on that second floor, right there.
Yeah, I see him. Stay low.
Wait, i-stealth muna ako. Stealth. Yeah, I think stealth is so much better. Hindi mo ako kita.
Body! Fan out! Over there!
Oh, shit.
Alright. Give me that, give me this. Wala na? Tatlo lang. Alright. Tatlo lang ata sila. Never mind, hindi sila tatlo.
Keep him busy.
Ano pa to? Nalalapit ka sa akin? Isa ka bang baliw? Yo! Ellie, stop! May trap. Saan yun? Ayun pala. Wala na? You're the last one? Whew. It's done.
Man, endure and survive.
What? Oh, and the comic book thing. Yeah, come
Ay,
here,
nako
Ellie.
po.
Okay. Come on.
There you go.
Jump. Please, tama na laban.
We're almost there.
Ayun na, onti na lang. Puro beng-bengan eh. Ang gara eh. Do this. Bala. Ito. Scissors. Alcohol. Oh my god, makapag-craft na ako medkit.
Posters are everywhere.
Let's go through the alley.
Truck.
It's all right. Just keep your head down.
Ang dami dito, pre.
Gone. I don't know, 20?
Oh my god, bro.
Bullshit. You had 25 cans of bacon? Well, 24. How the hell you have 24 cans of bacon? Military locker in the hotel from back in the day. Me and Ruben stumbled on it, stealing right down the middle. And that shit's still good? When you making some more? Why? You think I want some? Yeah, I bet you do. Man, I saved your ass from that clicker last week. I'll think about it. Should've let your ass die back there. Oh, jeez. Yeah, I'll make you some.
Paano ko ito isa-isahin?
Better be as good as you say it is. It's bacon. Of course it's good. What was that? Nothing.
May isa dito.
Let's just be cool, man. Take it easy.
Fuck.
Ay, puta ako. Pre. Wala ako dito. Wala nga ako dito. Oh my god, Ellie.
Another military turret. Stay down.
Grabe si Ellie. Saan na ako dadaan kung may military turret doon? Can I like outrun? Wala. Okay. Okay, kailangan ko tumakbo. Run. Run. Epal dito. Wala na ba? Oh my god, pre. Takbo, Ellie! Wala nang tao. Please. Let me be, bro. Oh my god. Hirap magkabala. Super. Takbo. Taas.
I think we
Okay.
lost him.
Tama na to, pre. Wala akong mag-ano, craft. Wala nang laban. Please. Tama na. Okay. Oh.
We're
Oh
okay.
no.
They can't see us.
Never mind. Whew. Yan, cutscene. Oy, 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 oy! Uy, 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 Joey! Patayin mo yan! Patayin mo yan!